Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am back with my paper pumpkin. I'm thinking this is either the July or August box, and I've had people correct me, and I appreciate that. But I don't get these on time because of how we get our mail during COVID. So I apologize. I may be totally wrong on the timing of this. But I did want to share it with you guys, and I'm super excited. So this is, I haven't even opened it till just now. I just took the wrapper off. Oh, I love these colors for fall. Look at that blue. This is Pacific Point, and of course this is all by Stampin' Up, and I love that grosgrain ribbon. And let's see. Ooh, I love these. So you've got a ribbon. Oh, so it's like a medal and then a ribbon. Like if you won an award, coach, friend, number one. World's greatest. This calls for celebration. Teacher, kid. You deserve a medal. You're the best. Love that. That's super, super cute. So of course they give you a paper in here, and it usually tells you things they have coming up or kits or things like that. I guess this isn't for fall. I guess that's coming. The fall one is coming. Ooh, I'm excited about that. Actually, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I'm going to get that or not. We'll see. I am going to save that tissue and put that in my tissue box because I save everything. And let's see what comes in the kit. I am super excited. I am enjoying getting back into card making again. And yeah, and not always is pumpkin cards. Say that fast. At the end of the day on your like 5th or 6th video. But look, it's got a shaker card. I love that. And then it's got these others. There's an award, like a trophy, and then there is that medal again. So super, super fun. It gives you the instructions if you didn't know, ideas, and there we go. So you get the step-by-step. Super cute, super cute. And they do a really good job of packing this so things are not damaged. So here are the punch-outables. Ooh, I love that. And they're kind of a vellum. Ooh, I love that. And then, ooh, look at that. I love that blue. Ooh, so pretty. And then here's some more. These are the trophies. That is so nice. And then here are some of the metal. Sorry if that gets you in the eye. The banners, and then the seals for the ribbons. Here's more circles, and then places for sentiments and other types of sentiments, smaller sentiments. And ooh, so here is beautiful. This punches out, so you have a frame and a circle, and maybe you can even do something with that. You know me, we use the whole buffalo. So here are some of those gorgeous cards. So here's the green. We have blue, plaid, green, plaid. We have watercolor, looks like places for sentiments on the front or in the back. And then we have plain white cardstock. Super, super fun. We have the acetate for the shaker. We have all the envelopes. And let's see. We have the green. We have the blue. Hold on. I don't know why they did it this way, but okay. We have the green. We have the blue. And then we have a different green. Super, super pretty. Love it. And then here are the shaker forms, and then the actual shaker goodie, and then some dots. And then also we have the pop dots in there as well, or pop, I don't know what they call them. Anyways, what I always call pop dots, the foam raised items. So for you to make, your cards with. So super, super, super pretty kit this time. I'm looking forward to it. Love the stamp. I think that's going to be fun. I love the blue, and I love the ink. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys are doing these paper pumpkin kits, leave a comment below. Tell me how you are using and making your cards. Are you making them and giving them as a gift, like a gift packet of cards? Or are you making them and using them as cards yourself? Or are you taking these items and making something completely different? I know, I think journals, I think scrapbooking, I think all kinds of other things. So, super fun. So, all right, friends. Again, thank you so much for being here. I so appreciate each of you. And I ask you, if you have a minute, would you please, and if you liked, would you please like this video? Would you subscribe if you're not subscribed? We'd love to have you. I do all kinds of hauls and all kinds of projects. We're getting ready to finish up with our spring summer Bible journaling camp, and we're getting ready to get into more crafting projects, more other fun series that are going to come out of this this fall and probably into winter. And yeah, we'd love to have you be there with us. And if you do subscribe, hit that little bell down below, that notification bell, and it'll tell you every time a new video comes up. And if you want to watch it, great. And if there's some videos you think, that's not my cup of tea, then just slide it to the side or move on. You watch the ones that encourage you, because that's what this channel is about. This channel was built on the idea of being encouraging, and I hope that we can encourage you today. So, okay, friends, be safe. Have a great day. Again, your day blessed, creative, and lovely. And most importantly, go out and make something pretty today to encourage somebody else. Okay, friends, love y'all. Talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.